Alright guys, today I'm going to open up a challenge lock. It's a real Zinger. So it's Zinger pinned up by Bearsback. It cannot be disassembled, so I won't be able to show you what's inside it, but hopefully you'll get a feeling for it by watching me open it. A little Yale keyway. Here's the key. Some highs. That last one's really low, so I may not even need to really set him. We'll find out. Alright. And with Yale keyways, I generally like to use bottom of the keyway tension. And what thickness should I use? I'm going to try to use 23 thousandths. Although it is a Yale keyway. Let me see if I can show you that. I feel like I should be able to reach all the way up there with 23 thousandths. If not, I'll switch to 15 thousandths, as always, for my Praxis kit. Change the angle of this so you can see it a little bit easier. Right, let's see what we have in here. Okay. Hearing some crunching going on. Actually, I'm not getting a whole lot of feedback. There's crunching, but it's not clear. So I'm going to switch to the 15,000, see if that makes it any clearer. Okay. That tension wrench, I don't love it. Where's the other one I just had? We'll do this one. There we go. That way I can control the core a lot easier. Whoa. Alright, I got a few clicks and dropped into a false set. Pretty good counter. Oh, hands in the way. Sorry, guys. Just lost my false set. Never mind. Alright. Lock is open. This was a pretty fun lock. I certainly enjoyed it. So this was the Zinger. I cannot disassemble it. You must have removed this and then seal it up again. But yeah, that's the Zinger. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, please subscribe, leave comments or questions below, and thank you for watching.